on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Behind us, we have our GS-F. Also behind us, we have a Revel Medallion Exhaust system made by Tanabe. Let's go ahead, set you up on the tripod, open this thing up, get the car in. Let's start wrenching. All right, guys, let's go ahead, start opening this box up. Let's see what we got in here. Hello. All right. So I don't know what the heck these things are for, but they make cool kaleidoscopes. But this is just an axle back system. So it is just going to be two mufflers. You'll see here they package them extremely well. So we're just going to set these aside, figure out which side goes where. Okay, here's number two. All right. There's no packaging or anything, no hardware, so I'm assuming they're going to want us to reuse the factory hardware. But let's go ahead, open the mufflers up. Check out these welds. That looks awesome. These look phenomenal. I'm gonna leave these wrappers on, slide them back on, just to protect the tips and the mufflers until we're done installing them. And then we'll wrap them, unwrap them once they're installed on the car. All right, guys, so before we get crazy here and start ripping this thing apart, let's start it up. Let's give it a couple revs like you hear it stock. And then we're going to do the same once we're done. All right, so to do this install, you're not going to need any specialty tools, just a regular socket and ratchet set. It's going to be fine. One thing that I would recommend is a pair of these guys here. These are exhaust hanger pliers. They're going to make your job super easy when it comes to removing the exhaust hangers. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting them with a pry bar or a pair of channel locks. These are great. I'm going to leave one of these in the video description below. They are relatively cheap. I think it's like 30 bucks. It's absolutely worth it because it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of aggravation. And I would also recommend some penetrating oil, WD-40, something like that, to lube up the hangers so they slide off a little bit easier, and then also to lube up your hardware. If you have a car that's been driven in the salt belt, the exhaust is usually the first thing to rust and that hardware gets pretty crusty. This one looks pretty good, but we're gonna lube it up anyway. All right, guys, so we're just under here spraying down our exhaust nuts and bolts here. That way, like I said, they don't fight us coming off. You're gonna need a 14mm socket and ratchet. See if we can break these loose by hand here. Man, that's tight. Let's get some air tools. I have these electric tools and I always forget to use them. I don't know why. But this is gonna make my life a lot easier. Now you'll see here, these are like spring bolts, and I guess they use these to keep constant tension on the exhaust. These all came out good. You see, very minimal rust on these. I don't think this car was driven very much in the winter, judging by how it looks under here, which is a good thing. So now we're gonna go ahead and soak those hangers, use our hanger pliers to pop them off. Oh, what a dream that is. You have no idea how nice it is when the exhaust hangers come right off. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Whoa, that one almost just fell on me. Okay, just get this hanger off. All right, and then after this, we only got one more, which is right here. All right, and then this is going to be ready to drop, like so. Let's take a look at this. It's a factory GS-F muffler. We can drop this off the belt. Oh God, old man grunts. All right, let's go wash our hands, regroup, and get ready to install the new one. All right, so what we just did off camera is we just climbed under the car. We checked our factory donut gaskets. They are in very good shape. You'll see them if you could see under the car. They're right on the ends of the mid pipe back there. So everything under there looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and start slipping our new exhaust, our new mufflers in, and see how she sounds. All right guys, we got the driver's side exhaust on. I'm just gonna go ahead, run these two bolts in, and then we're gonna move over to the passenger side. All right guys, sorry about that. My camera actually died in the middle of recording the video, so we just went ahead and finished it up. We were just about wrapping it up anyway. So here we have the factory mufflers. Excuse me, and what I wanted to show you here is just how pancaked this section of exhaust is. Now they do this for ground clearance. Not sure why, because it's not really necessary. This one does it as well. But what you'll see here on our new exhaust is they don't do that. So that alone is going to save a whole bunch of restriction. It's going to free things up a little bit, and it should hopefully give us some more power. I know axle backs don't really give you much as far as power gains are concerned, but they do add a bunch of sound, and we are eventually going to be doing a mid-pipe on this. Maybe this winter we'll tackle that. But let me put you on the tripod, let you hear this thing, and tell me what you think in the comments. Now, I personally love the deep rumble it has. There's no rasp. I don't really like rasp. So when we do a mid-pipe, we are probably going to do a resonated to help cut out some of the rasp that they induce. But with that said, I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I would really appreciate it. It helps us do more stuff like this. Comment down below, let me know how you think it sounds, and maybe I'm gonna set you guys up on the suction cup mount and take it for a ride. Actually, let's try that. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.